Hey everyone, Vince here. Welcome to my Survey Year review. Survey Year is a survey platform where you complete surveys to earn straight up currency. I think one of the most unique things about Survey Year is that it's available in 123 countries around the world, and it's boasting 2 million plus users. Both the computer version and the mobile version work exactly the same, so you don't need to stress. By the way, don't forget to support the video and join my new Discord, links in the description below. Let's kick this off. When first signing up to Survey Year, you have to make sure you select your country so then you get the right website. As I mentioned, there are literally over 100 different countries that are allowed to use Survey Year. So I feel like that is really going to make a lot of you guys happy out there, even for people that don't really like surveys that much, because at least your country more than likely will be allowed to use this platform. Alright, so once signed in, this is what you're going to see. You can see here that it states that you should add Nikolai at surveyyear.com to your email contacts so you receive all the survey opportunities. I personally did not have to do this step. I received emails from Survey Year without an issue, but you can do that if you want to. Now, you can see that there's a points balance here. To get a better understanding of the points system, let me show you how the currency system actually works on Survey Year and the withdrawal options. So we're going to head to the top of the screen and we're going to select prizes. So here are the available prizes for Survey Year. For 58 points, we have a $10 Amazon cash out. For 90 points, we have a $10 GoGift cash out. 90 points again, we have a Visa $10 cash out. 180 points, we have a GoGift $20 cash out. 180 points again, we have the $20 Visa cash out. And then we have a 200 point $34 Australian currency PayPal cash out. Of course, something to always keep in mind is that these withdrawal methods are going to change depending on your country. So what you see here on my screen is not what it's going to be in your own country. Like, more than likely not everyone. In my own experience, you're probably going to have various different methods available, different to mine. So yeah, just remember that because I don't want to give you guys a wrong impression. Okay, so now you get the rough idea of how many points you need for $10 worth of United States currency or so. Let me show you the actual survey process, and hopefully I can complete a survey on camera for you all, so you guys can get a rough idea of how many points I can get per survey. So I'm simply going to tap on the Surveys tab. Alright, and so now you can actually see the surveys that I have available here in my country, and you'll notice something straight off the bat here, guys. We have these surveys that are actually paying us pretty decently if you convert the points to the dollar value, okay? And this is something that I really did appreciate about Survey Year, and I was actually quite surprised. Because usually with these type of survey providers, I noticed that most surveys here in Australia, I'm lucky to get between like $1 or $2 per survey, and that's pretty rare. But you can see here, I have a survey for 7 points for 15 minutes of my time. So let me try and complete this survey now. Hopefully I don't get disqualified because yes, Survey Year does have disqualifications as well. But we'll see if I can try and capture it on camera for you all. Because then I feel like at least you guys can see how much 7 points would convert into dollar value. Alright, so I've just completed the survey for 7 points. Let's see how long it takes to actually hit the account. So this is what it looks like when you complete a survey on Survey Year. Something that I found out about Survey Year is that it might take up to 3 weeks apparently for the points to hit your account. Now, thankfully, I generally see the points be updated to my balance in about maybe 2 to 3 hours. I'm hoping I can get it faster for today's video, so I'll be back soon, everyone. While we're waiting for those points to be credited to the account, I thought I'd mention that Survey Year has a profile area that you guys have to complete if you want to be given more surveys. So with these type of survey platforms, generally you complete your account, so then the survey provider knows what surveys to give you, the user. So I highly recommend you complete your profile on Survey Year to really boost the chance of you guys actually receiving surveys. Can't stress that enough because I know some people out there might forget to do this action, but that's how the developers and I guess the survey providers know what to give you. Survey Year has a pretty extensive profile section, by the way, which I filled out 100% just because I wanted to maximize the chance of me getting a survey on a daily basis. So after getting disqualified a few times, I now have my 7 points, which converts into $1.19. Definitely not the worst reward rates we've seen for surveys. Alright, but now the $1 million question, does Survey Year actually pay their users? Well everyone, I completed various surveys throughout the last couple of months and withdrew a $10 Amazon gift card. And I'm very happy to say that within about 1 day of requesting that withdrawal, Surveyor paid me my Amazon currency without any issue whatsoever. I was able to actually cash that out on the Amazon website. So I have no doubt that they would pay you your PayPal currency as well if you are to try and withdraw that. So while I can't guarantee that you get the same point conversion rate that I do here in Australia, I can say that I do believe it's for most people that like completing surveys out there. It's a very solid platform in my opinion, and I think that you guys should give it a shot if it's available in your country.